Check this out. A guy stumbled upon a treasure in a pile of junk on the side of the road. This rusty, unassuming old item caught his eye, and he decided to take it home. He's planning to refurbish and restore it, and surprise his mother-in-law with a special gift. Look at this grime. It takes at least a decade of buildup to achieve this effect. It's like the object is telling its own history. But in this guy's eyes, it's not just junk. It's a work of art. Every detail is filled with charm. As a restoration specialist, he's decided to put his expertise to work and bring this old piece back to life. What will this battered old item look like after he's done with it? We'll have to wait and see. The entire process is incredibly satisfying to watch. If you're a fan of restoration videos, you won't want to miss this. The guy has been working non-stop for 5 hours straight to get this job done as quickly as possible. The restoration process is no easy feat. Can anyone guess what this object is? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. The end result will definitely leave you amazed. Sure, liking the video is a courtesy, but not liking it is totally fine too. Craftsmen work tirelessly from dawn to dusk to create content, and it's truly not an easy job. But if you've made it this far, I bet you won't hesitate to give a free like to support this kind of artisan. If you enjoy this guy's restoration skills, be sure to follow him. He shares more restoration videos every day. Let's show some love for these talented craftsmen. Your support is what keeps us creating. Thank you so much. The video is coming to an end, so let's take a moment to appreciate the final product. Isn't it stunning? It'll blow you away. I wonder what everyone thinks of his craftsmanship. If you had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 100, what score would you give? Feel free to share in the comments. Comments and feedback are always welcome. If you enjoy his restoration techniques, don't forget to hit that like button and follow for more daily restoration videos. See you next time, and thanks for watching.